Evening.
Good evening. How are you?
I'm good, good. How are you doing?
I'm fine. Thank you for
Great.
asking.
Nice, nice, great. So, Chaya, very, very welcome to my session as we both are meeting together for the first time on this platform.
Yes.
Okay, so I'm Ejabin and I'm from Gujarat. And nice to meet you.
Okay.
Great. So,
Nice
you're
to
a
meet
yoga
you.
teacher. Yeah, same here, dear. So, you're a yoga teacher, right?
This is.
Yes, yes. So, do you teach online or offline?
I'm teaching online right now on Zoom meeting.
Zoom meeting. Wow, great, great. So, don't you think so, Chaya, that nowadays people are more aware towards their physical and mental health and they are giving more importance to yoga?
Yes. Nowadays, people doing more yoga for physical and mental health both.
Hmm.
They
Right, right.
are aware about this approach.
Absolutely. Yes, yes. So, when did you start, your career as a yoga teacher?
It's been 1 year.
1 year. Okay. So, first you took your certification course and then you started your training, right?
Yes,
You
yes.
started training others. Okay, very nice.
Yeah.
So is it easy for you to train people online?
Yes. Right now, I'm doing on small platform. Like I have only 2 to 3 students.
Hmm.
I am working on that
Okay,
still.
right. Okay, because yoga is such like, for example, if you are teaching me, I'm your student. Okay, and if I'm doing any asana, I will look at you and I'll do. But if my breathing is incorrect, where you say that you need to inhale, and if I exhale over there, and where I need to exhale, I inhale over there, then I think it totally have the adverse effect, right, on
Yes,
our body.
yes. But while doing online sessions, students have to aware about that they listen and then they listen first tutor what they uh, tell instruction, then student do like
Okay.
this.
Okay. So do you teach like in a group?
Yes, 2 to 3 students.
Okay, two to three students per session. Okay.
Yes, yes.
Fine, fine, fine. Good, very nice. So whenever you are explaining them any asana, do you also tell them what is the use of this asana? How will it affect your body? What are the advantages of that asana? Do you say all these things also?
No, I'm just right now I'm just taking instructions because I am a new in that field, so that's why.
Right. Okay, okay, fine, fine. So do you teach them in Marathi or English?
In Marathi.
Marathi. Okay, fine, fine. So, what is your main aim? Why do you want to learn this language?
Uh, Actually, I want to do something in my life, so that's why I'm learning that new language.
Uh-huh.
That I learning that new skill in
Okay,
myself.
okay, fine, fine. So, you're from Maharashtra, to which city?
What?
You're from which city?
I'm from Pune, Maharashtra.
Pune, Pune, Pune. Okay, fine, fine, great. So, what about the rains? Is it raining or it has stopped?
It is stopped totally.
I know it's not raining anywhere, right?
Yeah.
Right, right, right. Okay, fine. So today we will be talking about our nature, our wonderful, different landscapes that we have. Right.
Yeah.
So we have different type of landscapes like Chaya. We have plains, mountains, oceans, deserts. Which is your favorite one?
My favorite one is oceans. I
Ocean.
like yes
Right.
oceans.
Right. Right. It's not ocean. Ocean.
Ocean.
Ocean.
Okay.
Yes, absolutely. Why do you feel your favorite is ocean?
Because when I go to beaches, I like the view that is so spectacular and it is so big,
Hmm.
and I'm inspired from that. So that's why.
Right, right, right. So, do you also have beaches in Pune?
Not in Pune, but there is a place near Pune, Konkan or
Konkan.
Mumbai also. Yes,
Mm-hmm.
there
Okay.
are many beaches.
Mm-hmm. Okay, okay. So, how far is Konkan from Pune?
What?
How far is Konkan from Pune?
Not that much long. It is just 50 kilometers, I think.
Okay, okay. Good, good, good. Very nice. Good.
Yeah.
Okay, so it would be just taking half an hour, right, to go there.
Yeah, yeah.
Mm, nice,
From
nice.
my place, it is 50 kilometer.
Okay. Nice, nice. Good. So you basically like the beaches, and that is the reason you like oceans and rivers and seas, right?
Yes, yes.
So what about the beaches in Konkan? Are they well maintained? Is it clean, or people litter the garbage here and there?
People lifted garbage over there. They
It's not.
don't take it clean and
Mm,
that.
yeah, that is very, very common. Even in Mumbai, if you talk about the Juhu beach, the same scenario you have there also, right? People
Yeah.
eat and they just throw it over there only. And
Yes.
even the water is very dirty over there, sand is becoming black. So it's very difficult, to even stand there. It's stinking now. So,
People don't follow the means
yeah,
rules and regulations.
absolutely, absolutely. Very true,
Just
Shaya.
throw garbage anywhere.
Yeah, yeah. There is no civic sense among the people. They just do whatever they want to, right?
Uh,
Right, right, right. Okay, fine. So, which is that landscape which you don't like to travel at all?
Travel at all.
Hmm.
That volcanic uh, island,
Island. Okay, island. Why?
because there is water and all
It is surrounded by water on all the
surrounded
sides,
by
right?
water.
Right, right, right. Okay, fine. What about the desert? Do you like to go to the deserts and visit the deserts?
Also, I don't like to visit desert also
Right. Why?
because there is no tree, no water, only land over there.
Mm-hmm.
That's about
Sand dunes are there, right? Absolutely.
sand, get sand over
Yes.
there.
Hmm. So, if somebody gives you an option that you should build a house on the mountainous range or near the beach, where will you go and why?
Actually, when I was child, I lived in mountain.
Oh,
Still my 23 birthday. So I want to live. Means I choose uh, ocean beach
ocean,
side home.
ocean,
Yes.
ocean.
Yeah.
Okay. So, where, I mean, what was that mountainous areas where you were living in your childhood?
Actually, my home is surrounded by mountain.
Okay. It's in Pune
My
itself.
what?
It's in Pune itself.
No, no, it's not in Pune. In my hometown.
Okay. Okay. So, your hometown is not in Maharashtra, it's somewhere else.
It is in Maharashtra, but my village is in means there is mountain.
Oh, in Maharashtra. Okay. Fine, fine. Right.
Uh,
Okay.
did you heard do you heard Kalsubai Kalsubai place and all?
No, I did not hear.
It is in my village side.
Okay, okay. It's did you hear? Did you
Yes,
hear? Okay.
did
Yeah.
you hear?
Okay, fine, fine. So it would be really good climate over there, right?
Yes, in rainy season there is very good climate.
Nice, nice, nice. Good, good. And obviously Lonavala and Mahabaleshwar is also very near to your Pune. So you would
Yes, yes,
also be enjoying the weather during the rainy season, right?
yes, yes.
Uh,
Bhubaneswar, I think 150 kilometers from here.
hmm. And Lonavala is very, very near, right?
It is near. It is very
Pune
near.
Highway.
Yes.
Right, right. And now I think because of the heavy rains, it was closed for few days because the Bushi Dam was also overflowing, right?
Yeah, we went there many times in
Hmm.
Lonavala.
Right. Nice, nice. And especially during monsoons, you really have a great time, right?
Yes, yes.
Good, good, good. Fine. Okay. So, during your childhood, when you were learning about these different type of landscapes, might be mountains, plains, plateaus, cliffs, deserts, oceans, coastal regions. So, how were you feeling about all these things?
Uh, in mountain sides home, when you were childhood, went there. So this is a very peaceful. I can say that
Hmm.
because there is no much. traffic and all. So it is a peaceful, uh, calm and composed, serene place. My village is serene place.
Hmm. Great, great. And it will be like full of nature, right? Lot of trees and
Yes,
everything
yes,
around. Hmm.
yes. My school was inside the. There is means it is not big mountain, but a small mountain side. My school is.
Oh,
School was, yes.
great. So how did you go over there? Walking?
Yes, by walking.
Oh, how nice. So how often do you visit your hometown?
What?
How often do you visit your hometown now?
Mm, I often I visited my hometown uh, into 1 and 2 months. After 1 and 2 months.
Okay, so you can say within 1 or 2 months I go to my hometown. Okay,
Yes,
right. Okay, fine, fine, good. That's nice. You are connected with your hometown and you still go and visit there, right?
yes,
So from
yes.
Pune, how much time will you take to reach your hometown?
It is almost 4 to 5 hours.
4 to 5 hours. Oh, okay. So it would be more than I mean would say 500 kilometers, right?
Mm, no, but while go where means while driving there,
Hmm.
uh, there is too much traffic, so it is depends on traffic. It is almost 190 kilometers from here.
Okay, 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 okay. Fine, fine. Then it
Because
is.
of traffic, we
Hmm.
take time
It
to
takes.
reach there.
Okay, okay. Nice, nice. Very good. Fine. Okay. So, what do you mean by the coastal regions?
Coastal means in which there are that
Beaches.
I have heard that. Yes.
Yes, beaches is actually called the coastal region. Coastal region is nothing but it is near the area of sea and ocean. Okay,
Okay.
like beaches and cliffs. It's actually called the coastal region, right?
Okay.
Okay, fine. What about if somebody tells you to visit a jungle?
Mm, means I'm not afraid about that because uh, I have habit to visit jungle and all.
Oh,
I have visited many times.
okay, okay. So, have you enjoyed doing animal safari over there?
Mm, not that big animal, but like peacock, uh, like that.
Mhm. Okay, very good. What about volcano? What do you mean by volcano?
Uh, I don't know the meaning in English. Volcano.
Yes, dear. What do you mean by volcano?
Volcano means that mm, I don't know the word for that.
Okay, see, actually, what happens? You would be looking like the mountains and all, right? When
Yes.
the lower level, when there are actually the plates within.
Yeah.
So when that gets disturbed, the black lava erupts from the mountains, and that particular black lava is actually called the volcanic eruption.
Yeah.
Okay, right? And then it solidifies and it takes the shape of the mountains.
Yeah.
Okay, fine, fine. So, have you ever watched any movie which is related to wildlife and you really enjoyed that movie a lot?
No, I haven't seen, but I have seen that channel. That is
Discovery.
depends on animals only. I have
Discovery.
seen that. I had seen
Discovery.
that.
Discovery Channel.
Discovery, yes,
Ah,
I have seen that.
okay, okay. Very nice. Wonderful. So, according to you, if you plan for a trip with your friends, which would be that ideal spot of picnic that you will feel you should go?
Mm, I choose forts or beaches,
Hmm.
and yes, uh,
Hmm.
firstly I choose beaches because with friends there is another types of energy.
Hmm.
So
Right,
I choose
right,
beaches. I
right.
don't know. Some people are afraid about beaches. Beaches. I don't know why.
Right. So there are many water sport activities also if you go to the beaches.
uh,
So do
yes.
you love doing all these water sport activities near the beaches?
Mm, actually, last time I went to Goa, so that time there is paragliding something,
Para?
para,
Paragliding.
paragliding over there. But because of rain, we didn't do that.
Oh, okay. But you're not afraid you'll have to do all these adventurous sports activities.
Yes.
How nice. Great. Wonderful, wonderful. But sometimes, we also read in the newspapers the accidents which takes place, because the water boat actually it gets upside down, or because of the heavy tides, it is stuck in the center of the beach, center of the river. So how, I mean, when you hear about these news, don't you feel scared about it?
I feel scared about that, but in my opinion, there is one life, so we have to do everything.
Right. So you should give chance to everything, right?
Yeah,
Right.
I also curious about that bungee jumping and all.
Mm, right, right, right. Yes.
But it's
First of
too difficult.
Yes, it is very difficult, especially if you have the phobia of height. Then it is very
Yeah,
difficult for you to do that, right? Because it
yeah,
is related to height. Yes,
mm,
absolutely. But always, whenever you are doing these adventurous sports activities, first do a good survey about the people who are undergoing this, whether they have maintained all the security rules and regulations or not. What about their license? First go through all these things, then only take a decision of going for an adventurous activity. It's not that
yeah,
because others are doing, even I will go and do that. Don't follow the people. Just do the survey and then you can go for such things, right? Because
yeah.
see, accidents happen. It's not in
Yes,
our hands. But precautions is again important, right?
yes, yes.
True. Okay.
Do you like that?
I am actually having the phobia of height, so I don't go for all these adventurous activities. So
Okay.
that is the reason. And
And do you
now,
like the beaches?
sorry.
Beaches?
Yeah,
Do you
I
like
like
the
beaches. I like beaches, but I think mountains are comparatively better option for me because I
okay?
like cool environment, and that is more preferable for me compared to the hot beaches, which I actually have. And nowadays, as I told you just before, now beaches are not maintained clean, so it's very,
Yeah.
it's not. We do not enjoy going there and enjoy with our friends.
Yes, yes.
Yes, in Goa, yes, it is maintained well, some of the beaches, but as far as Mumbai and everything is concerned, they have not maintained it
Mm,
well. So we don't enjoy going there, because if the cleanliness is there, then only we really like to be there and sit there and spend our time, right? And now it's
yes,
overcrowded also. You don't even have time to, I mean, you don't even have the place to sit. It's that much overcrowded. So
yes.
that is the reason, right? Okay. So as far as your yoga is concerned, Chaya, which is your best asana? Your favorite asana?
My best favorite asana is Padmasana.
Oh, how nice. Great. And which is the asana that you're not able to do?
Uh, that is Shirshasana.
That is
That,
true. That is true. Yeah. So
yeah.
it is, I mean, it is being said, that first you can take the support of the wall and then you
Yes,
try. So is it possible that if you do it every day with the help of the wall
yes,
support,
yes,
then
it is possible.
it is
It is
possible?
possible.
Okay.
Yes.
But it
Some
is
people
difficult.
do it in very less period of time.
Hmm. But you should practice it
But
every day,
you
right?
should have to consistent in that practice.
Then only you are able to do that.
Yes,
And even if you're doing it without any support, at least you should have somebody to take care of you, right? Because if you fall,
yes,
then it's your neck can have some injury or
yes,
anything. So you need
yes.
to really be very much, cautious about it, right? True, true, true. Nice, good. Nice, Chaya. Overall, it was a good session where you're participating and you're discussing the things, but still, you have more capacity to speak. So come out
Yeah,
with your thoughts, come out with your opinions, and don't restrict
yeah.
yourself.
There is in my mind. I am not doing my 100%. Still, yes,
Hmm.
I speak better than that, but
Hmm.
I want to work on that.
No problem. It's okay. So, how will you be able to work on this? Keep on reading every day. Some good content, whatever you are interested into, might be related to yoga, might be related to self-help books, or even good stories will really help you. because
Yeah.
whatever knowledge you acquire from reading, that you will be incorporating in your day-to-day speeches, right?
Yes, yes.
So you'll be able to know about that, right? Like as we discussed that yes, the accident happened just a few days back in this adventurous sports activity. Now why we could discuss, because we were able to read that or listen into the news channels, so we were able to discuss
Lack
that,
of
right?
information.
Yes, so just do that.